So, ito yung ating sabaw for lunch, guys. Ayan, our soup for lunch. So, nilagang buto-buto siya, guys. So, ayan, tapos may pichay po tayo. At ating kalabasa. Ayan, pagpalinaw ng mata. So, ayan o. So, tikpan natin guys ha. Ayan, may puto pa ng kalabasa. Ayan o. Wow, yummy. Ayan. So, pakuloyin natin ng isang kulo pa guys, no? At pwede na to. Ayan, ang kulong-kulo. Ayan, Ate Femix Vlog guys. Ayan, thank you so much everyone sa inyong walang sawang support kay Ate Fe. So, ayan na guys. Ayan, tingnan natin. Okay, ganito naman. Ayan, no, kaya natin, no? Yan. Naka-maximum na yan, guys. Ayan, kulong-kulong na siya, no? That's one. Oh, no! Oh, no, you broke it!
Like this?
No, it should be not broken. Ayan na guys, so kulong-kulong na yung ating sabaw. Bigyan ulit tayo. Wow. Sarap guys. Ayan. Okay na to. Thank you so much for watching everyone. God bless us all. Bye everyone.